Welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a short comparison between Shopify and WooCommerce and also to answer the question, which is better. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. All right, so first up, Shopify right here is better for business that want a fast, secure, and hassle-free way to scale sales, as it acts as an all-in-one managed utility. And WooCommerce, on the other hand, is better for creators, developers, and publishers who want complete code ownership, infinite design flexibility, and a site built heavily around content marketing or blogging. That is just like Wix, all right? So why would you choose Shopify right here? So Shopify got security updates, server optimizations, and SSL certificates and handled automatically behind the scenes. The native Shop Pay checkout converts roughly 1.72x better than standard checkouts, capturing impulse buyers effortlessly. Also, if an influencer posts your product, Shopify dynamically allocates server power to handle high traffic surges without crashing. So features like Shopify Markets or any other apps right here lets you handle international currencies, dynamic local pricing, and duties right out of the box. So I gotta choose WooCommerce as it transforms a WordPress site into a highly tailored storefront with total digital sovereignty. Yeah, because it sits on top of WordPress, it is the unmatched champion for deep SEO, blogging pipelines, and custom review. You have complete access to your source code and database. You can modify core functionalities without being restricted by corporate platform guidelines. And the core software is free. You only pay for your web host and the specific premium plugins you explicitly choose to install. And tools like Yoast or Rank Math allows you to structure custom URL folders and data architectures far beyond Shopify's strict URL conventions. And that is a comparison between the two. So I hope that answers the question, which is better. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.